Have you ever wondered why proper electrical work is so crucial in residential buildings? Well, strap in and prepare for an enlightening ride because we're about to delve into the importance of electrical work done right. Picture a house as a living entity. The electrical system is its nervous system, transmitting energy and information from one part to another. Just as a misfiring nerve can lead to serious health problems, faulty electrical work can pose significant risks. Safety is the #1 priority. Properly installed and maintained electrical systems prevent accidents like electrocution or electrical fires. Imagine your house standing strong, safe, and secure because the electrical work is top-notch. That's the peace of mind we all deserve. Moving on, proper electrical work can be a knight in shining armor for your energy bills. Energy efficiency is no longer just a buzzword, it's a necessity. A well-designed and properly executed electrical system optimizes energy usage, cutting down on wastage, and saving you a pretty penny in the long run. And speaking of savings, let's not forget about the potential legal and financial repercussions of ignoring electrical codes. These codes are not mere suggestions. They're legally binding standards designed to ensure safety and efficiency. Non-compliance can lead to hefty fines, not to mention the potential risk to life and property. So, adhering to these codes isn't just about doing the right thing, it's about avoiding the wrong thing. In a nutshell, proper electrical work in residential buildings is a trifecta of benefits: safety, energy efficiency, and legal compliance. It's about creating a safe, comfortable living space that's kind to both your wallet and the environment. So, having understood the significance of proper electrical work, let's delve into how it's done step by step. The journey towards a safe, efficient, and legally compliant home awaits us. In the next scene, we'll be exploring the planning phase where the foundation of good electrical work is laid. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning. The first step in the electrical work process is planning. This stage is arguably the most crucial, setting the foundation for the entire project. It's akin to laying down the blueprint for a house, only this time, it's for the intricate network of wires and circuits that will run behind the scenes, powering the building. The planning phase involves creating a detailed map of the electrical system. This map should reflect the layout of the building, the placement of outlets, switches, light fixtures, and other electrical components. It must also consider the electrical needs of the occupants, factoring in everything from the number of rooms to the types of appliances they'll be using. It's a delicate balancing act, one that requires both technical expertise and a deep understanding of human needs. After all, an electrical system isn't just about wires and circuits. It's about creating a comfortable, convenient living environment for the residents. The importance of this phase cannot be overstated. A well-planned electrical system minimizes the risk of electrical faults, reducing the chances of accidents like electrical fires. It also ensures that the building's power needs are met efficiently and effectively, without overloading the system or wasting energy. That's why it's essential to consult with a professional electrician during this phase. These experts bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table, helping to navigate the complexities of electrical planning. They can provide valuable insights, identify potential issues, and offer solutions to ensure that the electrical system is safe, efficient, and tailored to the building's needs. Remember, electrical work isn't a DIY project. It's a complex, technical task that requires professional expertise. Having a professional electrician involved in the planning stage can make a world of difference, ensuring that the project is executed correctly, safely, and in accordance with local building codes. In conclusion, planning is a vital first step in the electrical work process. It sets the stage for everything that follows, shaping the building's electrical system from the ground up. A well-planned electrical system not only ensures safety, but also provides convenience to the residents. Once the planning is done, the next step is the installation. This is where the rubber meets the road, where all that meticulous planning comes to life. It's also the stage where the importance of using quality materials becomes most apparent. The installation process begins with setting up the electrical panels. These crucial components serve as the heart of your electrical system. They control and distribute the power that flows throughout the building. It's essential to place these panels in easily accessible locations, but also where they'll be safe from potential damage. Next up is wiring, the veins of your electrical system. They carry power from the panels to every corner of the building. Wiring isn't just about running cables from point A to point B, it's about ensuring those cables are properly insulated, correctly sized for the load they'll carry, and installed in a manner that's both safe and efficient. Keep in mind, a single misstep here can lead to significant problems down the line, from power failures to potential fires. After the wiring, we move on to outlets and fixtures. Outlets need to be strategically placed throughout the building for convenience, but also to ensure they meet safety codes. Fixtures, on the other hand, need to be installed with care to prevent any potential electrical mishaps. Throughout this installation process, adherence to the plan is paramount. It's like following a recipe. Even a small deviation can have a big impact on the end result. But remember, this is not a casual DIY project. It's a serious task that requires a certain level of expertise. This brings us to another crucial point: the need for a professional electrician. A professional brings a wealth of experience, knowledge of safety procedures, and a keen eye for detail. They can foresee potential issues, provide solutions, and ensure that the installation process goes smoothly and safely. In the end, it all comes down to this: proper installation is the backbone of a robust and safe electrical system. It's not just about having power, it's about having power that's reliable, efficient, and most importantly, safe. After the installation comes the inspection phase. This stage is just as critical as the others in ensuring the safety and quality of your residential electrical work. A thorough inspection is the safeguard against potential dangers and the assurance that the system is ready and safe for use. So, what's the importance of a thorough inspection? Well, it's all about ensuring the electrical work meets the necessary safety standards and codes. These standards are not just rules set out to make the job harder. They are carefully curated guidelines designed to ensure the safety of the inhabitants of the building and the longevity of the electrical system itself. Just as a chef would taste their food to ensure it's cooked correctly, electricians use specialized tools to test the electrical system. These tools can range from voltmeters, which measure the electrical potential difference between 2 points, to circuit testers that check if a circuit is working correctly. Professional electricians also look for any issues that may have been overlooked during the installation phase. These could be anything from loose connections, which could lead to sparking, to improper grounding, which could cause an electrical shock. The inspection phase is like the safety net that catches any potential problems before they can cause serious harm. But it's not just about finding problems. A thorough inspection also involves rectifying these issues. This could involve tightening any loose connections, replacing faulty wiring, or correcting any code violations. It's about leaving the system not just problem-free, but also optimized for safe and efficient use. Remember, an uninspected electrical system is like a ticking time bomb. It might work fine now, but without a thorough inspection, there's no telling when it might fail, or worse, cause a catastrophe. So whether you're a professional electrician or a homeowner trying to understand the process, remember the importance of the inspection phase. It's not just a formality, it's a crucial step in ensuring the safety and functionality of the electric system. A thorough inspection ensures the electrical system is safe and ready for use. The final step in the process is maintenance. Now, you might think that once the electrical system is installed and inspected, your job is done. But that's not quite the case. You see, like any other system in a building, the electrical system needs regular care to ensure its longevity and safety. Think of it like a car. You wouldn't drive a car for years without changing the oil or checking the tires, would you? Similarly, an electrical system requires attention to keep it in optimal condition. Some common maintenance tasks include checking for exposed wires that could potentially cause shocks or fires. It also involves testing circuit breakers to ensure they're functioning correctly, and replacing worn-out components when necessary. Just like your health, prevention is better than cure when it comes to electrical systems. Regular maintenance keeps the electrical system running smoothly and prevents potential hazards. It's not just about keeping the lights on, it's about keeping everyone safe. To sum up the process of proper electrical work in residential buildings, let's jog our memory on the key points we've discussed. The journey begins with effective planning, where we map out the electrical layout, ensuring it aligns with the building's structure and design. This includes strategic placement of outlets, switches, and lighting fixtures, as well as planning for future modifications and extensions. Next, we move on to the installation phase, where the actual work begins. Every wire, every circuit, every breaker plays a significant role, and it's crucial to install them correctly. Once installation is complete, we proceed to the inspection phase. Here, we thoroughly scrutinize our work, ensuring everything is up to code and functions as intended. Finally, the maintenance phase. Regular checkups and timely repairs keep the electrical system running smoothly, preventing potential hazards. Remember, proper electrical work is not just about convenience, but more importantly, it's about safety. Always consult a professional electrician for any electrical work in your residence.